In this video, we're gonna do a 10 minutes beginner's yoga that will give you a full body stretch. You're gonna need a yoga mat, so go grab it and let's begin. Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Idan. I'm a yoga teacher who loves to share this practice with the world. And today, as I mentioned, we're gonna do a 10 minutes beginner's yoga that's gonna stretch your body from head to toe. Oh yeah. For this session, all you need is yourself, your yoga mat, and a little bit of your time. Let's begin. We're gonna start this class on our hands and knees, so if you have sensitive knees, go grab a bed towel or a blanket, fold it and place it underneath your knees for support. Now you come down into all four position on your hands and knees, shoulders above the wrist, hips above the knees, spread the palms as wide as you can. And first of all, let's stretch the front body, the chest, and also the back with cat-cow stretches. So you look down in between the hands, press the ground away, puff the back, don't collapse, press, and start to breathe in through the nose, deep inhalation. Control the exhalations through the nose as well, if possible. Big breath. Exhalation. And on the next inhalation, look up. Send the tailbone up and back into the cow stretch. Feel the stretch in the front side. Maybe look slightly forward. And on the exhalation, tuck the tailbone under, look inside, press the ground away, and feel the stretch on the upper back, the shoulder blades. Into the cat stretch. Breathe in. Into cow. Look up, stretch the front body. Exhale, arch the back, press the ground away, look inside, stretch the neck and upper back. Breathe in. And breathe out. 2 more times. Breathe in. And out. Last one, breathe in and out. Come to neutral position. Make sure your toes are at the end of your mat, and let's stretch the chest and shoulders. Send the palms forward, 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 and when you can't no more, without moving the hips of course, lower the forehead down to the ground into puppy pose. You should feel a good stretch in the front side of the body and the side body as well. If you can't reach with the forehead down to the ground, you can keep it up in the air or grab a book or a box or a pillow and place it on top of it. Let your body melt down to the ground. Keep on breathing. Let the body stretch and open up. An amazing pose to fix slouching posture. So if you sit and hunch forward during the day, this is the pose for you. One more breath in here. And release. Slowly come up. Tuck your toes under. Sit on top of the heels for a moment. And stretch the sole of your feet, of course. I know it's not that comfortable, super important though. So sit, send the arms behind your back, interlace the fingers, open the chest, lift the chin, straighten the arms and take them away from the body. Hold it for 3, you can do it. 2, and 1, slowly release. Send the palms forward. If you need, shake your feet a little bit and then tuck them once again. Send the butt back, the arms forward, palms spread wide, and from here take a deep inhalation. On the exhalation, send the butt up and back. Press the legs down into downward dog position. Keep the heels off the mat, knees bent, belly in, hips up and away, and start to paddle the heels down to the ground one by one. to give the calf muscles and legs a good deep stretch. Also stretching and opening the chest. The head is loose. Excellent. From here, send the right leg up and back, the left leg up and back, knee bent, and then open the left leg towards the right side to open the hip. Look towards your foot, and from here, bring the foot to the outer side of your left hand. If the leg stuck in the middle, simply give her a hand to reach forward. Foot pointing 45 degrees outside knee as well, and then lower the knee down, untuck your toes into lizard pose. A great pose to open and stretch the hips, the groins. You can hold it static, you can move a little bit, just find what feels good for your body. Do your best in here. Press the ground away. You can even place your fist down if you need more height. Really helpful. Look towards the top of the mat. One more breath. And from here, place your hands down. Send the left leg backwards into place. And let's do it on the other side. Send the right leg up and back. Bend the knee and open the hip towards the left side. Look towards your foot. And from here, bring the foot to the outer side of your right hand. Lower the knee. Untuck your toes. Adjust if you need. And hold lizard pose on the other side. Knee and foot pointing outside in 45 degrees. So you have both hands on the mat. The leg is off the mat. And you should feel a good stretch in the hips. Especially useful if you sit for long hours every day. Again, you can come up on your fist if needed. One last breath in here. And then tuck your toes under, send the right leg backwards into downward dog. Excellent. Bend the knees and slowly walk forward with your knees bent. And then stop in the middle of the mat, feet parallel, hip distance apart. Drop the body down and hang in here into ragdoll position. Grab the opposite elbows, bend the knees as much as you need until you feel a good stretch in the hamstrings, those muscles at the back of the legs. Spread your toes wide. From here, place your hands down on the ground and straighten both legs. Bend them a little bit. Straighten. Bend. Last time, straighten. Place the hands on your shins. Lift the chest. Lean forward into flat back position. And slowly bend the knee. Place your hands down, feet pointing slightly outside in 45 degrees, and then lower the hips into a yogi squat. If you can't reach with the heels down, that's okay. You can be up on your toes. You can place the hands in front of you as long as you feel the stretch in the hips, in the groins. Super helpful. Elbows pressing against the knees. Sit up tall. Maybe you need to grab something in front of you to maintain your balance. Do what you need. You can even place a rolled bed towel or blanket underneath the heels for support. Give you too many options right now, so just do your best. and slowly come down to sit on the ground. Sit with your legs crossed in easy pose. Send the arms up overhead. Take a deep inhalation, and on the exhalation lower the left hand and for a good side stretch. Look up. Feel the stretch on the side body. Breathe in, both arms up. Exhale, a good side stretch to the right side. Feeling the stretch on the left. Excellent. Breathe in, come up to the center. And exhale, lower your palms together in front of your heart. Close your eyes for a moment. Feel all the good sensations in the body. And feel proud of yourself for taking the time today to invest in your body, to invest in your mind, to invest in yourself. Take a deep breath in, fill your lungs all the way to the top. Open your eyes. Exhale and smile. Release. So, how do you feel? Feel more stretch, more loose? You can do this session in the morning just to start the day, or at the end of the day to release the tension from the long work day. If you enjoyed this session and you're looking for longer classes, 20 minutes long, 30 minutes, 45 and even 60 minutes long, you can find them all inside my online studio, Ashram, where you can find classes, first of all, without ads, and of course exclusive programs and so much more features at the palm of your hand, so you can practice yoga anytime, anywhere. If you are not an Ashram member by now, I want to invite you to try it for only $1 trial. You can learn more about it and join in the link up in here or below this video. So go and check it out. I will see you here on the next video, and until then, always remember to do yoga because it just makes life better. See you. Bye bye.